Hi, I'm Susy Flory, and I would love to invite you to the Career Growth Track at Mount Hermon Christian Writers Conference. Laura Christianson and I are going to be teaching this multi-day track, and this track is for you if you're a communicator. That might mean you're a writer, that you have a ministry where you need to write material, that you're a blogger, or some other form of communication. We're excited to meet you, and a few of the things we'll be learning about are what it means to be an entrepreneur, what it means to have a startup, and just a little hint that if you're a writer or communicator, you are an entrepreneur and you do have a startup.
Yes, and we'll be talking a lot about making that mindset shift into entrepreneurial mode. So if you're not even sure what the definition of an entrepreneur is, never fear, we'll point that out to you first thing when you come to the class. The class is going to include some direct teaching from Susie and from me, as well as a lot of discussion and small group activity. And so we hope that through the combination of doing all of those different things, you will come to a really good understanding of what it means to turn the writing and the speaking that you might already be doing into a business where you may be able to earn some income.
Yeah, one of the most exciting things we have to share with you is something that we crowdsourced last year. We asked all of our friends and acquaintances and people that we hadn't even met before how they actually made some money writing. And it's not that any of us want to be millionaires or ride around in a limo or anything like that, but we would like to make enough money to pay our bills, to buy ink, to buy paper, to be able to go to writers' conferences. So that's part of what this track is all about. Another important part of the track is learning what a business plan is and how it can help you in shifting your writing mindset into the business mindset. And so we're going to teach you how to create a business plan for your own business or ministry and how that can help you. And we use the idea of a lemonade stand. So that's kind of a fun part of the class is looking at how a child would set up a lemonade stand, which Laura happens to know a lot about, and how that correlates to creating a business plan for your writing.
We're also going to walk you through the wonderful world of marketing. Susie and I come at this class from very different perspectives. Susie does a lot of collaborative writing, and I work full-time helping writers to market their writing. So we're going to have an extensive Q&A where you can ask us and pick our brains about how we go about marketing our work. And we're also going to share with you some really fun productivity strategies and tools that Susie and I have both used for years that we highly recommend to other people, whether you're just starting out in this entrepreneurial journey or whether you've been in it for a while and are ready to take your next steps forward.
Laura and I actually met at Mount Hermon a number of years ago, so it's so fun for us to be teaching a class there together. We're both very early on in our careers when we met, and we've kind of grown at the same time and at similar paces, although we work at very different things. So we're excited to have you join us, to get to know you, to hear more about your business, your ministry, and the things that God is leading you to do. So please join us.
Yeah, we can't wait to meet you. That's the Career Growth Track at the Mount Hermon Christian Writers Conference. See you there.